Discover a range of driver convenience features. There's lower storage at the sides of the front row seats. There are also multiple door compartments. You can open the floor compartment to stow items there. Insert the holder into the Kia AddGear slot and turn it to attach various accessories. Press the lever to open the storage space. Charging is available via the internal USB port. Charge your smartphone wirelessly or use a cable for other devices. The USB port lets you link devices to the vehicle, while the power outlet supports in-vehicle electronics. Stow items in the center fascia sliding tray. Or in the console. Experience the convenience and practicality of a space that's all your own.
Kia, movement that inspires.